Whether a swimmer has failed to touch at the end of a race, or there is a no-show to an event, Gen7 makes it easy to handle exceptions that arise during your swim meet. Let's look at a few common exceptions and how to handle them using Gen7 software. If a swimmer is a no-show for an event, you can set the lane to display a no-show. After the race has started, right-click on the lane number you want to update, and then click No-Show. No-Show will be displayed next to the lane number. After the race data has been saved, NS will appear in the place column for that lane. Don't worry if you accidentally click No-Show for a lane with a swimmer in it. The Gen7 timer will still record splits and finishes. You can turn the lane back on and all the data will be there. Lanes marked as no-show will not display on the scoreboard. When results are transmitted to meet management, the place for that lane will be marked as NS. To disqualify a swimmer, you can either right-click on the lane number of the swimmer who is being disqualified, or use the keyboard shortcut D, followed by the lane number. Disqualified will appear for about a second, and pending DQ will appear in the place column for that lane. All of the swimmer's touches will be registered. However, at the end of the race, DQ will be displayed in the place column of the DQ'd lane. If the DQ was an error, you can remove the disqualification before the race results are saved by right-clicking the lane number and selecting Remove Disqualification, or by using the keyboard shortcut D followed by the lane number. A list of available keyboard shortcuts can be found by clicking on the keyboard icon in the upper right of the screen. In the event of a late touch or missed touch at the end of a race, backup times can be easily promoted in place of pad times. For a late touch, click on the final time. A pop-up will show the race time as well as the pad time and the backup time. Click on the backup time to promote it. The final time and place columns will be updated as needed. If the difference between the final time and the calculated backup time is greater than the comparison interval defined in timing settings, usually 0.3 of a second, the final time column for that lane will show red. In this instance, click on the red highlighted area, click the backup time to promote it, and the final time and place columns will be updated. For more information on the Gen7 system, check out our other videos or see our website for more details.